Top 5 DIY lampshade styles for 2023. Add a fresh look to your decor with these top lampshade styles that you can make yourself. To DIY your own shade, you'll need a few basic supplies: a blank white or color fabric shade, a hot glue gun, glue sticks or glue, scissors or an x-acto knife, a seamstress measuring tape, and you'll also need the various materials that you'll use for decorating. Modern shade with traditional appliques. This is an easy look to get. Start with a blank shade. Find appliques or stick-ons at your local craft store or online. For this shade, we went with these fun floral appliques. Arrange them as you like. And use your glue gun to set them in place. It's a fun and unique room accent. Bohemian shade with wrapped yarn. To get this look, start with a blank shade and yarn. Use different color yarn as you like. Here, we've gone for black and white hemp yarn to create a sophisticated bohemian look. Wrap the yarn around the shade. You can use a vertical or horizontal wrap. Vary the yarn colors to create an attractive pattern. Hold the yarn in place with glue. It's perfect for elevating a living room sitting area. Farmhouse shade with mock pleats. We love the style of this design. To start, select your fabric. We went with a print that will accent a farmhouse style room. Cut the fabric 2 times the circumference of the shade. Overlap the fabric by pinching it to create a pleat and then use glue to hold it in place. So pretty! A great accent for a modern cottage or farmhouse decor. Modern organic shade with dowels. This modern look uses wooden dowels on the outside of the shade. Purchase these in a package at a craft or hardware store. Place them on your shade, and you can stagger them in height to create an interesting pattern. Work your way around the shade and simply glue them into place. Leave some space between them as you work to allow light to shine through the gaps. Coastal shade with tassels. Create a coastal vibe with this tasseled shade. Start with a blank shade. We're using store-bought tassel trim. Measure the circumference of the shade. Cut your trim to that measurement. Use a hot glue gun to place your trim in the desired spot. Repeat until the shade is covered. We added decorative tassels at the top for more shape and texture. The result is really fun. Want more? Visit lampsplus.com for more shades. Follow us and let yourself shine.